Hi guys, what's up? So recently I created an AI system for one of my clients that can generate and fill their CRM with relevant leads. And all of this process happens completely on Autopilot. So today I want to share with you how it works. So let's dive in. Alright, so in the first step, it extracts the leads from Apollo using API call. And here I have defined my lead criteria and what kind of leads I want. And then after collecting the leads from Apollo, it parsed the data, lead data to make it structure. You can see here it's very structured. And you can use other lead sources as well, but I personally like Apollo very much because the leads are very verified and relevant. And then it checks in my CRM if the lead is already present there or not. If the lead is already there, it's going to skip to the next lead and we'll check it again and we'll repeat the process. But if the lead is not present there, then it is going to add the company data in the CRM first, and then it is going to add the lead information in the CRM first, completely on Autopilot. I can show you my CRM. It has multiple tables, and as you can see right now it is empty. So now I'm going to run it, and you will see that my CRM will be filled with relevant leads automatically. So now let's dive in, and we will going to make it from the scratch. Alright guys, so the first step is to go to epify.com. Here you're going to sign up. Then you go to console, and then you're going to go to store and you're going to search for lead scraper. You're going to go to this apollo.io lead scraper. It is going to cost you $45 per month, but it has a 1-day trial, so you can use it for the trial to check if it's working for you or not, and then you can sign up for the monthly subscription, and it's going to give you way more leads than the original plan of Apollo because it's going to scrape the information from the web page. Okay, so how does it work? You need to put your cookies here, login cookies from Apollo, or you can put your login email or password. I suggest putting cookies because it's faster and it's better. You can protect your password and your login details. So how to get cookies of Apollo? You need to go to Apollo, and then you need to install a Chrome extension called edit this cookie. Once you install this Chrome extension, you're going to go to Apollo, and you're gonna click on the extension, and then you're gonna click on export. Once this is copied, you're gonna go back to apify.com and you're gonna paste it here on the cookies tab. Then you're going to have the URL of your leads. So basically here I already did my defined my lead criteria. So I want the email addresses which are likely to engage and verified from Apollo, and I want the titles of CEO and CTOs, and I want only the location only to be United States, and I want the employees of these categories, like the company size should be like this, and I want the people only from commercial real estate industry. And yeah, this is my lead criteria, and it's giving me 558 leads in total. So how can I scrape all of this into my CRM using AI automation? That's the question. So I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to paste it in this search URL tab. After that, you make sure that you open the get email section so that you get the emails as well. And it's up to you if you want to include the guest emails. I usually turn it off. And then you can name the list. And the start page, I would say make it 1. So it starts from the first page. And the total number of requires, let's say you want to have 100 records, 100 leads. And these things I would suggest to leave it like this, and then you're gonna just save and start. Once you start the scraper, it's gonna run on the background and it's gonna go to your log into your profile, and it's gonna fetch all the leads into this pp5. So let's wait for it. As you can see, it is fetching the leads one by one from all the pages. All right, so as you can see, the run has been completed, and it has it's gonna take some time to load. So yeah, now you can see there are 100 of outputs have been put here, and you can export it the way you want. You can also see the JSON of it. and you can export everything. So by clicking on storage, you can export all of this as an JSON or CSV or Excel. Let's export it as an Excel, and you can select the fields that you want to include. Let's say we want to include everything, and you can just download it, and it will be downloaded as an Excel file. But now the question is, how do we automate all this process, and how can we take these leads and put it in your CRM? So to do that, we need to go to make.com. So we're going to go to scenarios, and we're going to create a new scenario. Here, we need to have HTTP, and we're going to make a request. We're going to put the URL of API of this scraper. How to do that? We go to the homepage of this scraper, then we click on API endpoints, and then we're going to take this one. We're going to copy it. We're going to go back to make, and we're going to paste this URL here. After that, we're going to change it to post, and here, okay, this we don't need, and the body type should be raw, content type should be JSON, and now we're going to define our lead criteria here as well. The same thing we did on the scraper itself. How do we do that? We go to the input section. All right, I would say let's go to the runs, and then we click here, and then we go to the input section, and we're gonna copy the input completely, that which includes cookies as well. You don't need to do it again. By going to Apollo and then using the Chrome extension, you can just copy everything from here and then paste it here. So it's going to do the same thing. It's going to start from the page 1, and it is going to search for 100 leads for you using the same Apollo link, and it's going to give the output of that. That's all. And then let's run it to see if it's working or not. All right, so it's done. Now you can see we have the output of data, and it includes all the leads and all the information about those leads. So now the question is, how do we put this information into our CRM? I have this CRM where I can put the company details, contact details, the opportunities, and some other tables as well. So mainly I want to use the company table and contact table to put the information about the leads into this tables of my CRM. To do that, first parse the information. I can use JSON. So I can add the output data of the HTTP request here, and then click OK. Okay, so now I can run it again. And it's going to take some time again to get the information about 100 leads and then parse the information into JSON. Okay, so the information has been parsed, and you can see now it is in a very structured way, all the information about the companies and everything. So each bundle, as you can see, there are a lot of bundles. Each bundle is each lead. So there should be in total 100 bundles, as you can see here. And within the bundle, there is all the information about the leads. So now the next thing is to put this information into the Airtable. But before that, we need to check if the information is already present in our Airtable. So I use Airtable as my CRM because it's very, very cool and very like you can do so many things there. You can put so many automations there. Right. So I'm gonna add it, and I'm gonna search for records. Okay. So now I'm gonna select my same table, the company's table, and I will select. I will search if the record is present there or not by only looking at the company name. And I can then use the formula, let's say search, then I can select the company name here. This one is the organization name. Yes, and then I can put company name. So this formula is going to compare the organization name that we are getting from the scraper, and then we're just gonna compare with the company names which are present in our CRM at the moment. Right now, as you can see, my CRM is empty, so this condition will not be true. And then we're going to have a router here. Okay, so this router is going to check if the condition is true or not. If there is a company name already found in the CRM, it is going to go in this direction, and if it's not found, it's going to go in this direction. You need to put the condition here. Let's say condition should be when the total number of bundles is greater than, where is the greater sign here? Yeah, when it's greater than or equal to 1, then this condition will be true. If the company is found, then this condition will be true. When it is not found, this condition will be true. And here we can also put the condition. Let's say when total number of bundles is equal to 0. So total number of bundles is the number of same records it has found in our CRM. So yeah, when it is not true, then we need the information about both the companies and the leads as both in our CRM. And now we can start updating our CRM. We need to select create a record of Airtable, and then we select our base again. It should be the company table. Yes. So we have two tables in our CRM. One is for the companies with all the information about the company, and the other one is the contact, which is the person you want to contact in that company. So then we just need to select the values from our previous modules. Let's say company name should be this, the industry industry is this one, size, company size should be here somewhere. It's this one. Company website is here. Company description that we are not putting right now, because for that I will show you in another video how to use AI to enrich these leads by web scraping the company website to find a description, to find the product service, to find the company's mission and value. So we are going to leave it for now. That's for another video. Then company LinkedIn is this one. Then the headquarter address, we can put the street address there. And yes, that's all. After that, we need to update another table in our CRM, which is contacts table. And here we can put the name of the person itself, then the title, the country. You can also put the city before the country if you want. Their email, their LinkedIn headline, and that's all. And that's how when there is no same records are found in our CRM, it is going to update both of the tables. But if there is a record of a company found in our CRM, then it is going to take this route. And in this route, we don't want to update the company again because the company is already there. So we can just directly update our contact table. Then we choose our contact table, and then we put the values again. Contact name, title, country, email, LinkedIn, their LinkedIn headline. Yep. So now if I run this whole workflow, then it is going to find the 100 leads by calling the API scraper, lead scraper, and it's gonna parse all the information about the leads. It's gonna search in our CRM if the leads are already existing there. If yes, then it's going to just update the contact detail if it is not there already. And if the leads are new, then it's gonna update both of our tables about the company and also about the contacts. So let's run it and see the magic. Okay, now you can see this is running and 5 of the leads are found. And if you look at our CRM, you can see that the table is getting filled by itself. Completely automated. You can just schedule it and like for every day, and it's gonna fill your CRM with your target customers or target prospects. As you can see, it's filling it. And if you look at the companies table, then here you can also see this. It's adding the companies automatically. So that is the beauty of automation, and it's gonna run until the 100 companies are done. And you can see here it's going on. And as our CRM was empty, it is only taking this route, not that one. All right, guys. So as you can see, all the 100 executions are done, and all the 100 leads are present in our CRM. And if you look at the contact table, and all the information about the people of those companies are also here. So yeah, that's all from this video. This is how it's going to work. If you want the blueprint of this scenario, you can ask me. And also, I want to tell you that this is a very basic workflow. We can also make it very complex and add more functions into it, like sending automatic emails to these leads, or looking at their LinkedIn, scraping data from their LinkedIn, from their website. And we can also find if there's any recent funding or any recent news about this company, and then we can contact them about that. We can try to find their pinpoints by looking at their whole business and by looking at their financial reports. So there's a lot of things we can do with this scenario. So in the upcoming videos, I'm gonna build build on top of it. I'm gonna show you how to enrich these leads by using AI and automation, and how to automate cold emailing, how to automate LinkedIn outreach, and some other things like that as well. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thank you.